Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to share with you what is the market outlook and what's happening in the Malaysia stock market. Okay, so in the Malaysia stock market, in the last week of this January, what's happening over here is we see that a lot of stocks are not really performing that well. Okay, overall the overall stock market is pretty quiet and lack of movement. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the frequently traded stocks, like example Heng Yuan. Okay, Heng Yuan in December and November, it looks pretty well. It went all the way up, but in January, okay, mid of January, it started to drop from $16. Okay, it dropped all the way down to $12. Okay, so that is actually a big drop. So if you ask me about Heng Yuan, how is this counter? I would say that it's okay. Right now we are out of this counter, and okay, previously it was really a good run. Okay, so beside Heng Yuan, right? Heng Yuan is in the business of petrol station. So there's another counter, Petron. Basically, Petron also have the same chart pattern, which shows that is weak. Okay, the overall chart is actually weak. Okay, shows weakness in this sector. So yeah, so basically to me, okay, if you're in Heng Yuan, you're in Petron, okay, until today, until now, okay, based on what the chart actually shows me, it's actually pretty weak. Okay, so besides that, there's another sectors that a lot of people are in, which is the glove sectors. Okay, so the glove sectors, we look at Hartalega. Okay, we look at Top Glove. Okay, what you can see here is overall in the month of January, okay, this probably is one of the strongest sector that we are watching, or we are actually in. Okay, so overall the glove sector is still good. Okay, besides that, okay, and look at this counter called VTROX. Okay, so VTROX is also one of the most uptrending counters. So okay, I believe that you still can keep this in your watch list. And in the month of February, okay, as market gets better, okay, I think VTROX is a stock that you should be watching it. Okay, so next, okay, let me quickly bring you to another counter. Okay, P Metal. So P Metal represent the sectors. Okay, the metal components sectors. Okay, so metal sectors is actually pretty strong. Okay, if you look at P Metal, Mass Steel. Okay, so these are still on the uptrend, higher high, higher low. Okay, so besides that, okay, what are some other stocks that we are actually watching? Okay, we are still watching a HSSEB. So this is some stocks that it should be in your watch list. Okay, besides that, this GBG AQRS, we are still waiting for it to move higher. Okay, to change to blue color, then we will start to look at it again. Okay, but overall, GBG AQRS is still on the uptrend. This is a new high, this is a pullback, and this seems like it's a support level. Okay, so overall it is still looking good. Okay, so yeah, okay, so these are some of the stocks in our watch list. Okay, besides that, Inari. Okay, Inari also is one of the stocks that is consistently moving on uptrend. Before this week, okay, we see that there's some corrections. Okay, but overall, I believe that it is an overall market that is weak. Okay, so if the stock you're holding is actually dropping, okay, so what I suggest is try to let go half of it, or okay, sell all first and buy back later when the market gets better. Okay, so I try to keep this video short and sweet, and hope you really benefit from it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this.